Welcome to the Thompson Sisters. Make your own fashion. This is Sherry.
Hi, I'm Sherry, Susan's big sister. This is my dress.
Oh, Sherry, this is unfortunate. What happened up here in the chest area?
Well, I was working on another project.
This table, the next project.
Table, and we were cleaning it with some bleach.
This.
And unfortunately, some splattered on my dress. So, we decided,
let's make a new dress. All right, back up, Sherry. This part down here that's dark is not actually ombre. It's where Sherry took a beach walk this morning and it hasn't dried yet. But we decided if there's a little bleach, why not make a lot of bleach? Oh, that one's going to be really splotchy.
we're not sure how the bleach will react to the salt water, but who cares?
Who cares? Fashion is fashion. Oh, sure, it's looking pretty.
Let me try, Sue.
I like it. Oh, Sherry's really going down. It's her dress, so she can have as many splooches as she wants. It may look a bit like a murder scene when we're done, but it might be pretty.
I like it.
This is going to be all the rage.
I was never real comfortable wearing this dress anyway because it looks too much like my skin.
But now it looks like your skin with psoriasis. This is going to be pretty. See, folks, you can do it yourself fashion. It's not hard. Just take an accident and make it into art. How about a little right here? All right. Right now it looks like bird poop on her dress. But we think after it dries and we wash it, it's going to look like kind of acid wash art. You like it?
We'll show you when we're done.
Yeah, we'll show you after we wash it. Stop back in a bit. Welcome back to Fashion with the Thompson Sisters. We're here to see step 2 of Sherry's new dress. Sherry, show us what it looks like. Woohoo! And see the back, please? This is the new dress, distressed, as you can see. Looks very nice, been washed and dried. And now, Sherry, what are we going to try?
Now we're going to try dyeing the bottom of it to make a bit of an ombre look.
Because that's how fancy we are. See you soon.
Wish us luck.
Sherry, what have we caught you doing?
I am mixing the dye and I'm holding my rubber gloves that I'm supposed to be wearing.
Wow, it looks really bloody.
It's supposed to be pink.
All right, and this is going only on the bottom of your dress?
Yes.
We hope.
Yes.
We'll know soon enough. The dyeing process. Is it wicking up as we had hoped? It is. Oh my goodness. Now the question was, should we dye the whole dress or just the bottom of the dress? Oh, it's pretty, Cher.
I think just the bottom.
I do too. Are you going to leave it in there a little longer to get darker?
Yeah.
But yeah, just the very bottom. It's looking good. So here's my part of the Fashion Craft Thompson Sisters story. You may have noticed I was wearing a dress similar to this when we were doing our craft project. It was kind of a faux denim kind of color with darker denim down here. Yeah, this is the same dress. I was helping Sherry make her fancy new dress, and we decided it needed a few more squirts of that bleach cleaner that we thought was so cool. And so I went, and just as I did a squirt, the bottle of the bleach cleaner broke and fell. Cracked and busted, which meant bleach cleaner flew everywhere, which meant I got some on this dress. But the worst part is I got it on my face. It splashed up to here, and I thought I had bleach cleaner in my eye, and also I wear contact lenses. So I was imagining I was going to be blind from this crap project, and I also have a big old white scar or, white blotch on my skin for the rest of my life. So in the middle of the project, I ran into the house like this, and washed my face like 5,000 times. Ended up, it wasn't in my eye, it was just really close to my eye. My dress was kind of ruined, and so we just put it in the same bucket of dye that we put cherries in, and it turned out much cuter than it used to be, don't you think? Oh my heavens, is this the finished dress?
This is it.
I love it. Let's see the back. Oh my goodness, how did you get the bottom to be so beautiful?
Well, we dipped the bottom into bright pink dye.
Oh, that's right, we watched that.
Yeah.
It turned out great.
Yeah, it did, and I've been wearing it every day for a cover-up.
I hope you washed it in between wearing it.
I did, and it comes out fine.
Yeah.
No dye on anything else.
Perfect, good crafting.
We made lemonade out of a lemon.